Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So we're outside today, and I tell you, you folks probably have a similar problem that I do. You can see that we have a downspout, and what happens is anytime it rains, it washes out all the mulch. And so in order to get that fixed, what we're going to do today is we're going to put this pipe underneath the walkway, and then we'll go ahead and install our outlet outside of the mulch bed. Okay, so what I've done is I've actually cut a length of 4-inch pipe that's a little bit wider than the sidewalk. We've dug our trench, and of course is angling down to get below the sidewalk. And so now what we've got to do is we have to tunnel underneath the sidewalk itself. And so you may ask, how in the world are you going to do that? Well, you can only get so far with the shovel. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this pipe, we're going to put it up against the dirt, we're going to tap it in as much as we can, then we're going to use our pressure washer to rinse out the dirt that is immediately around the pipe, and then we'll tap it in and we'll keep rinsing. And eventually this should go all the way to the other side of the sidewalk. Let's get started. Okay, so that took us about an hour. Obviously, it is not something that is super easy and clean to do, but if you stay at it, you'll get through it in about an hour. Take a look and see what we did. So it was slow going, but obviously you can see that we've put this 4-inch pipe all the way underneath the sidewalk. And what we're going to do now is, of course, off camera and after the video, we're going to connect back up our drain from our downspout to where it goes underneath the sidewalk. It'll have an emitter that pops up whenever it rains, and then it will go out into the yard, and we don't have to worry about it washing out all the mulch. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again soon.